Meanwhile, hundreds of students in the Portland area were forced to quarantine at home in the first month of school. And now the Department of Education will be asking schools to go back and review their health and safety protocols.
Fox 12's Simon Gutierrez joins us live in studio with what types of changes parents can expect. Simon?
Yeah, this month we heard of entire busloads of students having to quarantine and a high school closing its doors for a week. The state is working on ways to keep more of those students in the classroom.
Monday was the first day back in class for some 900 students at Reynolds High School who spent a week in distance learning because too many students had possible exposure to COVID-19.
Quarantining is one of the great challenges of this school year.
With that in mind, Oregon Department of Education Director Colt Gill says his agency, along with the Oregon Health Authority, will issue their second health advisory of the school year later this week and instruct schools to review their COVID-19 mitigation protocols. One of the recommendations, seating charts, both in the classrooms and in other areas students can sit.
We're asking them to review that in other settings as well, like school buses, like the cafeterias, like the carpet time that schools hold, so that they always know who's in close contact and they don't end up quarantining more students than they need to.
ODE will also recommend adjusting the amount of time students spend in hallways.
It also means adjusting those transition times so that they're shorter, so there isn't opportunity for students to be within close contact for 15 cumulative minutes during the school day.
Gill says the goal is to keep the school experience for students as normal as possible, although clearly normal still looks a little different.
They also mentioned the deadline for teachers to be vaccinated is looming. It's 18th of October. Gill says the more people in school, students and staff who are vaccinated, the more likely those schools are to stay open. I'm Simon Gutierrez, Fox 12 Oregon.